How's it going? I'm Tim with RVLandCruisers, and today we're back at Bear Lake in Munson or Milton, Florida, depending on how you want to look at it. We're going to take a look at some of the stuff we didn't show in the site guide. If you missed the site guide for this campground, take a look in the top corner there and we'll give you a link. And as always, like and subscribe, it really helps.
Oh, now y'all are waiting on us?
Are you going to the observation tower?
No. You want to walk in the woods? We don't know. We didn't get, that's the one thing we didn't check out. We'll have to check it out tomorrow.
Where else are we going to walk?
Why are you looking at me like I'm in charge of this?
We'll send you back the observation trail.
You go check it out.
We'll wait at the end while y'all go down the trail.
And then follow every...
We'll walk a little ways. Yeah. What is he barking at?
Where's your flashlight?
You can't hear her? I can hear her. I can hear her.
I can't hear anything.
Oh, see, 250. You should have gotten the 250.
Huh?
You should have gotten the 250.
Yeah.
You just got the 150.
I got the...
No 50.
Well, she's not... He's not pulling anything either.
That's true. Now they go like bigger. They're like 1 mile. Tim, keep walking.
Did you just say fat dummies can't walk on this?
No, you walk in front of us so that if there's a loose board, we won't fall.
Could be a theater. What's that? That's a spider web.
We're 3 steps in and you've already got spider web.
Not a cute flower in there. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Y'all need to be taller. Y'all aren't wiping out the spider webs that are higher up. Oh, that one either. Jeez. I'm gonna bend down.
It's covered in spider webs. There ain't nobody going in that thing.
All right, we're done then.
A great perk to this campground is that it has access to Krul Lake, which is about 1.5 miles away through this trail that you're looking at right here. Throughout Krul Lake and campground there are a few historic pieces, including the mill that we're coming up on right here.
Oh wow, yeah.
A millstone.
Krul is a swimming lake and they do have a lifeguard on duty, although kayaks, paddleboards, and boats are not allowed. They have quite a few sites here for camping, but they are packed in pretty tight and pets are not allowed. It's much better to camp at Bear Lake and walk over for the swimming area at Krul. If you've watched any of our videos, you know we really love our electric bikes, and we're going to do a video on that here in the near future. But what we have to protect that from the weather is a CLAM Quickset Gazebo. This is a 6-sided version here. I'll put a link in the description to the gazebo and the bikes as well if you have any interest in those.
Don't take my oar.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, y'all go find out if there's gators. If there is,
I'll bring one back.
yeah.
Now, you can see like a flattened area in the like big weeds like that. That's where a gator is
Nesting or their path.
Yeah, they make paths. Because they travel the same paths just like anything else.
Well, sure.
Wherever there's water, there's always a possibility. Even if it's not posted, my assumption is there could be.
Here we go. This is where we get divorced, Sam. Oh, it looks like we got a pretty good bump here. Tree. Did you make it? Yeah. All right. Here. I think this was easy.
A dead rat?
I did. I pretty much ran him over.
Rat.
Yeah, I ran him over.
Are we going that way?
Has to be this, right?
Yeah, it has to be that.
This is how we get lost.
Yeah.
Trails are actually a whole lot better than the walking.
Yeah, so far that's been genius. We could do this at 20. It's a lot different at speed. Oh. Oh. Not sure what happened. See, so this is where we go. Oh, well, we should just go to Hurricane Lake. That's how it works normally.
20 miles later.
Yeah, we're calling y'all, even though y'all don't have signal, to come get us.
Yeah.
Luckily, he doesn't have the juice for that.
Are you good to keep going, or you want to turn?
Well, I don't want to go to Hurricane Lake.
All right, go get the kayaks.
Kayak this right here. Kayak, yak.
I think you could ride across this, Melissa.
I think you should.
I could ride across it, but I won't.
Yeah, this is great kayak.
I think I could jump it.
You should try.
Oh! Don't know what that was. That was not a squirrel, honey. It was much bigger than a squirrel. Nope. Maybe fox? I like it, huh? Getting sand, big time sand. I'm putting the camera on your bike. You hear me?